There's a big cup tie atmosphere for this game. A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. And the home team have been announced. They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. He's really pumped up for this match. Oh, he did really well there. And that's a throw-in. This is Busquets. Sterling. They've won it back. Oh, he has a go! Good catch by the keeper. It's a penalty. Oh, nasty challenge there. Looks like he needs to go off. Oh, it's a goal. Keeper gets well and the penalty.
While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm
down. Sub is coming on to replace the injured player. Towards the centre. Good clean challenge. Passed well. Neymar, well taken by the goalkeeper. He's headed the ball forward. That's nicely played. Oh, confident defending. Defender is on the ball. Volleyed forward. Sterling. And we're into stoppage time now. He's found an opening. Here's Martinez to the rescue. Keeper. A chance to have a better look here. And that one swung into his Martinez to the rescue. Stunning volley. That's it for now. Half time. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes. Not a great challenge. to the goalkeeper. Good distribution. Neymar, good save. Sterling will take it. No cards yet from the referee. Aubameyang, incredible goal. What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player.
While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe.
Oh, awful challenge. Oh, we can't have any complaints there. It's a yellow card. Oh, that'll take the pressure off. And that's a throw-in. Finds his teammate. Oh, well timed. Just the goalkeeper to beat now.
Fill me out with
Two
your
goals today
smile.
from this exciting
While the
player.
sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. You've got to admire skill like that. Aubameyang, it's his hat-trick, and he claims the match ball. Solid strike there, never in doubt.
While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Oh, he must score. Now that's class.
Fill me out
4 goals for
with
this
your
player.
smile.
He's unstoppable.
While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out.
Let's see what difference the change makes. That's a terrible tackle. It's a yellow card. No arguments there from the player. And that'll take the pressure off. What a ball. Oh, it's a clear chance. Martinez. Di Maria to take the corner. Oh, what a pass. And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side. They put themselves a place in the next stage of the competition.
While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will